What if getting into your car felt less like a workout and more like settling into your favorite armchair? What if every drive came with a front row view of the road, life-saving tech at your fingertips, and seats so comfortable you'd forget you're even driving? We tested every 2025 SUV on the market to find the 10 best rides for seniors, models that turn daily drives into daily delights. No hype, no jargon, just easy entry, buttery smooth rides, and tech that actually makes sense. And trust us, the #1 pick? It's got a trick up its sleeve that'll make you feel like you're driving a rolling spa. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's roll number 10. 2025 Hyundai Tucson, the tech-savvy all-rounder. The Hyundai Tucson earns its spot as the perfect starter SUV for seniors with its 28.7-inch ground clearance, a Goldilocks height that eliminates awkward crouching or climbing. Wide opening doors and standard heated front seats, ventilated on higher trims, make every drive comfortable, even on chilly mornings. Hyundai's 12.3-inch touchscreen pairs simplicity with smarts. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrate seamlessly, while physical knobs for climate control ensure you're never lost in menus. Safety shines with Blind Spot View Monitor, which projects a live camera feed of your blind spot directly into the digital cluster when signaling. The hybrid model sips fuel at 38 miles per gallon, and the suspension glides over potholes like a far pricier SUV. It's the ideal choice for seniors who want modern tech without complexity. But if you're craving luxury without the fuss, our next pick wraps Toyota's reliability in a velvet glove. Number 9, 2025 Lexus NX, the silent luxury performer. The Lexus NX redefines comfort with 16-way adjustable seats that include massage and thigh extensions, perfect for seniors with arthritis or long-distance drives. Its adaptive air suspension floats over rough roads, while active noise cancellation creates a library-quiet cabin. Lexus' advanced park system handles parallel and perpendicular parking with a single button, no steering input needed. The NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid offers 37 miles of electric-only range, ideal for gas-free errands, and Toyota's rock-solid reliability means fewer dealer visits. Safety is exhaustive. The pre-collision system detects cyclists, pedestrians, and motorcyclists, while road sign assist displays speed limits directly in your head-up display. A serene, stress-free oasis for seniors who refuse to compromise. Need space for grandkids? Our next SUV adds 3 rows without sacrificing sophistication. Number 8, 2025 Mazda CX-90. The family-friendly charmer. Mazda's CX-90 masterfully balances space and elegance. The 41.7-inch legroom in the front seats rivals luxury sedans, while power retractable running boards, a rarity in this class, make stepping in effortless. The kinetic posture control system subtly brakes the inside wheels during turns, reducing body roll for passengers prone to motion sickness. Seniors will love the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. It's controlled by an intuitive rotary knob, avoiding touchscreen struggles. The PHEV model delivers 26 electric miles, and the 360-degree camera includes a transparent hood view to eliminate curbside guesswork. Proof that big SUVs can still feel nimble and intuitive. But for seniors who prioritize safety above all, our number 7 SUV is Volvo's life-saving masterpiece. Number 7, 2025 Volvo XC60, the safety-first sanctuary. Volvo's XC60 is a fortress on wheels. Its pilot assist system handles steering, acceleration, and braking on highways, reducing driver fatigue, while runoff road mitigation automatically recenters the car if it detects drifting. The Ortho-certified seats are medically designed to reduce pressure on hips and lower back, a boon for seniors with chronic pain. At night, night vision highlights pedestrians and animals via an infrared display. The advanced air purifier removes 99% of allergens, and the Bowers & Wilkins sound system offers concert hall acoustics. For seniors who view safety as non-negotiable. Next up, an SUV that laughs at snowstorms and tight parking spots alike. Number 6, 2025 Subaru Forester. The all-weather warrior Subaru's Forester dominates with 9.2 inches of ground clearance, high enough for trailheads but low enough for easy entry. The panoramic camera system provides a helicopter-like 3D view of surroundings, while driver-focused distraction mitigation issues alerts if you glance away from the road. Heated rear seats, standard on limited trims, keep grandkids cozy, and the turbocharged engine conquers mountain roads without strain. Unique rear seat reminder prevents accidentally leaving pets or packages behind. Ideal for active seniors who refuse to let weather dictate their plans. But if you want an SUV that pampers like a spa, wait until number 5. Number 5. 2025 Honda CR-V, the dependable daily driver. The Honda CR-V cements its reputation as a senior favorite with 1.5 inches of additional legroom over previous models, creating a cabin that feels airy and uncluttered. The height-adjustable power liftgate with programmable memory ensures easy loading, even for those under 5 feet 5 inches. Honda's Magic Slide rear seats glide forward at the touch of a button, eliminating the need to awkwardly reach for car seats or grocery bags. The hybrid model achieves 40 miles per gallon while delivering near-silent acceleration, and the low-speed braking control prevents fender benders in parking lots. A new 10.2-inch head-up display projects speed and navigation onto the windshield, reducing eye strain. For seniors who value hassle-free ownership and predictable resale value. But if your retirement plans include cross-country adventures, our number 4 SUV delivers space and confidence for every mile. Number 4. 2025 Toyota Highlander. The spacious family protector. Toyota's Highlander dominates the 3-row segment with 15 cup holders, 7 USB ports, and 43.7 inches of front legroom. Practicality perfected. The digital rearview mirror transforms into a live camera feed when the rear seats are packed, while rear seat reminders alert you if a phone or purse gets left behind. The Hybrid Max Platinum trim pairs a turbocharged V6 with electric motors for 362 horsepower, towing up to 3,500 pounds without breaking a sweat. Front and rear parking sensors provide tactile feedback for tight garages, and the panoramic view monitor stitches together 4 camera angles for curb-free parallel parking. Ideal for grandparents doubling as full-time chauffeurs. Need something nimbler for city streets? Our number 3 pick shrinks the SUV formula without shrinking comfort. Number 3.2025 Ford Escape, the agile urban explorer. Ford's Escape shines in crowded cities with a 32.8-foot turning radius, tighter than a Honda Civic. The hands-free liftgate activates with a gentle kick, perfect for arms full of farmers market finds. ActiveX synthetic leather seats repel spills and resist cracking, while Blue Cruise 1.2 allows hands-free driving on 90% of U.S. highways. The plug-in hybrid model runs 37 electric miles, enough for most daily errands, and the Securicode keypad lets you unlock the car without fumbling for keys. A new projection screen interface mirrors your smartphone's apps onto the windshield like a 55-inch TV. For tech-savvy seniors who refuse to be housebound, but if you're craving old-school comfort with modern safety, our number 2 SUV wraps you in plush familiarity. Number 2, 2025 Chevrolet Equinox, the comfort-focused value. King Chevy's Equinox prioritizes accessibility with 27.6-inch step-in height and doors that open nearly 90 degrees, a boon for hip replacement patients. The Chevy Safety Assist Suite includes lane keep assist with gentle steering, not jarring jerks, and following distance indicator to reduce freeway anxiety. Active noise cancellation comes standard, and heated cloth seats, a segment exclusive, ensure warmth without sticky leather. The 1.5-liter turbo engine delivers 31 miles per gallon, while the My Chevrolet app allows remote start, lock, unlock, and maintenance alerts from your recliner. A no-nonsense SUV that puts comfort over flashy gimmicks. And now, the moment you've waited for, our number 1 SUV redefines retirement luxury with spaceship tech in sofa soft seats. Number 1, 2025 Lexus RX, the refined retirement companion. The Lexus RX claims the throne with rear comfort mode, a button that prioritizes airflow and seat cushion pressure for backseat passengers. The Mark Levinson 21 speaker system includes hearing profile optimization, tailoring audio to age-related hearing loss. Advanced Park handles garage parking via smartphone app, while shadowy illumination projects subtle pathway lighting when exiting at night. The RX 500 HF Sport Performance Hybrid delivers 366 horsepower with 30 miles per gallon, and the Climate Concierge syncs seats, steering wheel, and vents to your ideal temperature. A rolling sanctuary for seniors who've earned uncompromised luxury. So there you have it, the 10 best SUVs to make your golden years shine brighter. Whether you chose the budget-savvy Tucson or the lavish Lexus RX, you're now armed with the knowledge to drive confidently into this next chapter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more auto ideas.